So welcome to my YouTube channel Successful Learning. As you know, we have started the series of cell organelles and we have already completed the classes on mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane, chloroplast, and I will put the link in description. So today's topic is Golgi complex or Golgi complex. So let's get started. What are Golgi complex? Golgi complex or a simple Golgi or a Golgi apparatus is a cell organelle present in most of the eukaryotic cells of a eukaryotic organism. As you know, this is the present in eukaryotic organism, and these Golgi complex are referred to as a manufacturing and shipping center of a cell. This helps to transport of a protein lipid molecules from the cell. Okay, this is referred to as a manufacturing and shipping center. What is meant by shipping? To transport the protein, lipid, carbohydrates molecule throughout the cell. And next, Golgi is involved in a packaging of a protein molecule before they are sent to their destination. Golgi are used in a packaging of a protein molecule. It helps to pack the protein molecules before they are sent to their destination. These organelles helps in processing and packaging the macromolecules like, as I told you earlier, these helps in a packaging and processing and packaging of a macromolecules like proteins, lipid and other, and that are synthesized by a cell and hence act as a post office of a cell. Hence Golgi complex are also called as a post office of a cell. Okay. Next, the word the Golgi complex was discovered by in a year of 1898 by Italian biologist Camillo Golgi. Okay, by his name, the name Golgi apparatus was given to this cell organelle. Okay, next, this is the structure of a Golgi complex. Okay, Golgi complex. You can see the structure of a Golgi complex. So next, under the electron microscope, Golgi apparatus is seen to be composed of a stakes of a flattened structure that contain numerous vesicles containing secretory granules. Okay, as you can see here, these are the vesicles, and Golgi complex is the arranged in a stacks or a one above the other. As you know, these are vesicles. This is the structure of a Golgi complex, and these contain a secretory granules. Golgi apparatus is morphologically very similar in both plant and animal. As you know, Golgi apparatus are present both in a plant cell as well as in an animal cell, and it is very similar both in a plant cell and an animal cell. However, it is extremely pleomorphic. In some cells, this type it appears as a compact and a limited. In some type of a cell, this Golgi complex appears as a compact and limited. But in some types of a cell, on other hand, in other types of a cell, it spread out like a reticular or a net-like. It spread like a net-like. Typically, however, Golgi apparatus appears as a complex array of interconnecting tubules, vesicles and cisternae. Okay, we will look now the structure of the Golgi complex. Cisternae. First is a cisternae. It is the simplest unit of a Golgi complex. Cisternae is referred to as a simplest unit of a Golgi complex. Cisternae is about 1 micrometer in diameter. Okay, cisternae is a 1 micrometer in diameter and are centrally flattened, plate-like or a saucer-like closed compartments held in a parallel bundles or stakes, one above the other. This cisternae, this is a 1 micrometer in diameter, and it is a central flattened. These are flattened plate-like or a saucer-like closed compartment. These are a closed compartment arranged in a parallel bundles, one above the other. In each stack, cisternae are separated by a space of about 20 to 30 nanometer, which contain a rod-like element called as a fibers. In each stack, these cisternae, both 1 and 2 cisternae are separated by the space of about 20 to 30 nanometer, and it contains a rod-like elements called as a fibers in between each cisternae, and each stack of a cisternae forms a diastosome, and each stack of the group of a cisternae arranged these each stack of a cisternae is called as a dictosome, which may contain 5 to 6 Golgi cisternae in animal cell and 20 or more cisternae in a plant cell. In every dictosome in an animal cell, there are 5 to 6 Golgi cisternae are arranged, while in a plant cell there are 20 or more cisternae are arranged in each stacks or a dictosome. Each cisternae is bounded by a smooth unit membrane, and every cisternae is bounded by a smooth unit membrane having a lumen varying in width from 500 to 1000 nanometer. These cisternae are bounded by a smooth unit membrane. The margins of each cisternae are gently curved. The margins of every cisternae are gently curved so that it appears as a dictosome of a Golgi apparatus. That's why it resembles the shape of a ball-like structure, because the margins of the cisternae are curved, gently curved. Okay. These cisternae are at a convex end of a dictosome comprises proximal end and forming or some cisternae have a concave end of a dictosome and comprising of a distal or a maturing or a transphase. Okay. Next, second is tubules. A complex array of associated vesicle anastomizing tubule, that is the width, it is in 30 to 50 nanometer in diameter, surrounded by a dictosome and radiate from it. The peripheral area of a dictosome is fenestrated in structure. What is the meaning? What is the fenestrated? Fenestrated are a lace-like structure which are radiated from a dictosome. Okay. From the peripheral area of a dictosome, the lace-like structures are perforated or radiated from it. And the third one is a vesicle. The vesicle is 60 nanometer in diameter. There are three types of vesicle. Transitional vesicle. First one is so let's read about a transitional vesicle. Transitional vesicle are a small membrane limited vesicle. They are thought to form bulbs from a transitional endoplasmic reticulum to migrate and converge the cis phase of a Golgi. Okay. Second one are secretory vesicles. These are a varied size membrane limited vesicles. These are also a membrane limited vesicles that discharges from the margins of a Golgi. These secretory vesicles discharged from the margins at the margins of a cisternae of a Golgi complex. They occurs between a maturing phase of a Golgi and a plasma membrane. This secretory cisternae occurs in between the maturing phase of a Golgi and a plasma membrane. Calthrine coated vesicle. Calthrine coated vesicle are a spherical protuberance. Okay. These are a spherical in structure. Calthrine coated vesicles are spherical in structure. These are spherical protuberance of about 50 micrometer in diameter and with a rough surface. They are found at a periphery of an organelle, usually at the end of a single tubules, and are morphologically quite distinct from a secretory vesicles. These calthrine coated vesicles are spherical in shape and about 50 micrometer in diameter. They have a rough surface and they appear at a periphery of a organelle, and this structure is morphologically very different from a secretory vesicle. Calthrine coated vesicles are known to play a role in intercellular traffic of a membrane and of a secretory product. These play a very important role. Calthrine coated vesicle play a very important role in a secretory product, intercellular traffic of a membrane and a secretory product between endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi, as well as the endosomal and lysosomal compartments. Next, these are the functions of a Golgi complex. Golgi vessels are often referred to as a traffic police of a cells. As you know, they are referred to as a traffic police of a cells. They play a key role in sorting many of the cell's protein and membrane constituent and in directing them to their proper destination. They help in sorting the cell's protein and helps them in directing them to their proper destination. To perform this function, Golgi vesicles contain a different sets of enzymes. Okay, for the performance of all these functions to sorting out the cell's protein, there are different types of enzymes involved in this process. in a different types of vesicles. Different type of enzyme involved in a different type of vesicles. In a cis, middle and a transcisterne, they react with modify and a secretory proteins passing through a Golgi lumen or a membrane protein and a glycoprotein that are transiently in a Golgi membrane as they are en route to their final destination. As I told you, these are Golgi complex are referred to as vesicles are referred to as a traffic police of a cell, and they play a most important role in sorting out the cell's protein and a membrane constituent and in directing them to their proper destination. The Golgi apparatus hence act as a assembly factory of a cell. It act as a assembly factory of a cell where a raw material are directed to the Golgi apparatus before being passed out of a cell. And what is the meaning of this? Golgi apparatus act as a assembly factory of the cell because all the raw material first comes to the Golgi apparatus and before passing out of the cell. Okay. Next, the next function of a Golgi complex is certain cellular organelles such as plasma membrane, lysosome, macrosome, spermatozoa and cortical granules of variety of a oocyte. They are involved in a transport of a lipid molecules around the cell. They are, as I told you, Golgi complex helps in a transport of a packaging and processing and transport of a various molecules like protein, lipid, carbohydrates, etc. These are involved in a transport of lipid molecules around the cell. Next, the fifth function of a Golgi complex. The Golgi complex play a very important role in a production of proteoglycan. This helps in a production of proteoglycan. The proteoglycans are a molecule that are present in extracellular matrix of an animal cell. These proteoglycans molecules are present in a matrix of a extracellular matrix of an animal cell. It is also a major site of synthesis of carbohydrate. Golgi complex is a major site for synthesis of carbohydrates. These carbohydrates include synthesis of a glycosaminoglycan. Golgi attached to this polysaccharide which then attaches. First I will tell you, this is the major site for a synthesis of a carbohydrate. Golgi complex is major site. Okay, and the carbohydrates include glycosaminoglycans. While this Golgi attaches to the polysaccharide, and this polysaccharide attaches to the protein which are produced in a endoplasmic reticulum. As I told you earlier, the proteins are synthesized in a endoplasmic reticulum because in a rough endoplasmic reticulum, especially in a rough endoplasmic reticulum, because the ribosomes are attached on the membrane of a rough endoplasmic reticulum, so that helps in a synthesis of a protein. So these polysaccharides attaches to the protein which are produced in a endoplasmic reticulum to form a proteoglycan. Okay. Next function of a Golgi complex. The Golgi involves in a sulfation process of certain molecules. It helps in a sulfation process. Golgi also helps in a sulfation process. Next, the process of phosphorylation of a molecule by Golgi requires the import of ATP into the lumen of a Golgi. And the process of phosphorylation, during a process of phosphorylation, it requires the ATP. And it requires the import of a ATP into the lumen of a Golgi complex. In a plant, this is the last function of a Golgi complex. In a plant, Golgi apparatus is mainly involved in a secretion of a material of a primary and secondary cell wall. The main function of a Golgi apparatus in a plant, it helps in a secretion of material of a primary and secondary cell wall. Example, the formation, this Golgi complex helps in a formation and export of glycoprotein, lipid, proteins, pectins, monomers or a hemicellulose, cellulose, lignin, etc. As you know, hemicellulose, cellulose, lignin are the part of a plant cell walls. Mainly plant cell wall is composed of a hemicellulose, cellulose, lignin, pectin, etc. So this Golgi apparatus helps to export of a glycoprotein, lipid, pectins and monomers, hemicellulose, cellulose, etc. Okay, these are the function of a Golgi apparatus. So thank you so much, and as you know, this is the most important topic. Okay, and this is the structure of a Golgi complex. This is the structure of a Golgi complex. These are vesicles. Okay, these round structures are vesicles. Okay, this is the structure of a Golgi complex. Okay, thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will put the link in description for all the other cell organelles. You can check it out. Okay, thank you so much.